The security forces launched the operation in Bara to eliminate the growing threat to Peshawar, particularly from Lashkar-e-Islam. Prime Minister Yusuf Raza Gilani, during a visit to the provincial capital a few days ago, expressed his resolve to maintain government's writ at all costs.
हम स्ट्रेटजी को चेंज करेंगे। हमने पॉलिटिकल डायलॉग का रास्ता भी खोला, साथ हमने डेवलपमेंट की तरफ भी रुझान किया और तीसरा हमने ये कहा कि हम अगर कोई हमारे अमन को ख़राब करेगा फिर हम एक्शन भी लेंगे।
The major threat which many of Peshawarites believe was from Mangal Bagh-led Lashkar-e-Islam, which wants to impose its own interpretation of the Islamic injunction in the Khyber Regency. The situation worsened when the group extended its activities to Peshawar. The kidnapping of 16 Christians from Peshawar and the patrolling of the Lashkar activists in the city panicked the citizens. However, the Inspector General of the Frontier Corps, Major General Alam Khattak, insists that the operation is not against any particular group, rather it is aimed at establishing government's writ.
ये ऑपरेशन किसी ग्रुप, किसी फिरके के खिलाफ नहीं है. It is against the phenomena of crime. जराइम, पेशा नासर, वो किसी शक्ल में हों, कहीं पर भी हों, उनके खिलाफ हुकूमत के हुक्म के मुताबिक हम ये ऑपरेशन कर रहे हैं.
On the other hand, none of the three religious outfits operating in Khyber Regency, Lashkar-e-Islam, Ansarul-Islam and Amar bil Maroof wa Nahy Anil Munkar, show any resistance to the security forces. The major blow has been dealt to the Amar bil Maroof wa Nahy Anil Munkar. 6 of its activists died in an explosion at its headquarters in Barkambar Khail. However, the security forces have denied their role in the explosion. The chief of the outfit, Haji Namdar, says they are not involved in any anti-state activities and any action against his group will be resisted.
हमने कोई जुर्म भी नहीं किया है. जुर्म सिर्फ हमारा ये है कि हम कुरान के दर्स देते हैं, लोगों को मस्जिद की तरफ लाते हैं, अच्छी बात की दावत देते हैं, बुरे बातों से, बुरे कामों से लोगों को मना करते हैं. हमारा यही अगर जुर्म है तो बस इसको जुर्म ही समझो, और कोई ये नहीं कि हमने किसी के खिलाफ कोई ये किया हो, हुकूमत के खिलाफ.
Lashkar-e-Islam chief Mangal Bagh claims that the areas under his control are peaceful and they don't need any other authority.
خلق د غلطو کورونه منې کول نو که په دا باندې د موږ دومره شهیدان وشول، که په دا باندې د موږ کورونه وران شي یا په دا باندې د موږ مارکیټونه وران شي، نو په دا باندې موږ د حکومت سره جنګ نه کوو. نه په علاقه کې د موږ جیل شته، بس دومره زویونه موږ د خپل علاقې خلکو دپاره جوړ کړي دي چې یو سړی لمونځ ونه کړي بس رو یې والو، یو سړی چې کوم دي ډز وکړي یا سړی چې کوم دي جګړه وکړي هغه علاقې لګې راولو. نور موږ داسې جیلونه نه یو جوړ کړي چې موږ برکونه پکې جوړ کړي وو، داسې جیلونه جوړ کړي.
Meanwhile, political leaders in NWFP termed the Bara operation an attempt to divert people's attention from the real issues.
Unfortunately, the Bara issue has been highlighted, it has been over-highlighted. A sort of threat, fear threat has been inflated in for this operation. A reason has to be created, and unfortunately all the government agencies, they made this whole issue in such a way that the nation should be given an impression that the Bara operation is very necessary.
I think this is not an operation, it is an action against the people who are lawlessness, making lawlessness, the people who don't abide the law and order.
Analysts believe that lack of coordination and flawed policies of both federal and the provincial governments have created this mess. Now the real question, will going after soft targets in Khyber Regency will guarantee security to the provincial capital? Because the actual threat lies in Taliban-infested Mohammad Regency and Dar Adam Khail, which are a few kilometers from here. Zahid Shirazi, Dawn News, Peshawar.